Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn the surgical stress and hormones. Whenever there is surgical stress, you will see increase in ACTH, there will be increase in growth hormone, there will be increase in adrenaline, increase in cortisol, you will see increase in glucagon RC, okay, and what are decreased, you will see decrease in insulin growth factor 1, decrease in testosterone, decrease in T3RC. So these are the hormones which are increased and decreased in surgical stress. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.